The ZTE Blade V70 5G is here, and it's not just another mid-range phone. It's a bold statement in the crowded smartphone market. With a dynamic island-inspired design, a powerful 108MP camera, and 5G capabilities, this phone aims to redefine what you can expect from a mid-range device. But does it live up to the hype? From its sleek aesthetics and performance-packed hardware to its camera prowess and battery life, we're covering it all. Grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's explore whether this phone has what it takes to shake up the competition. When it comes to design, the ZTE Blade V70 5G instantly grabs attention. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece. ZTE has nailed the modern and minimalistic aesthetic, giving us a device that feels high-end without breaking the bank. With its thin bezels and a centered punch-hole display, it's clear this phone was designed to impress at first glance. Adding a functional twist, the dynamic island-inspired notification system is a game-changer. Whether it's alerts, incoming calls, or multitasking, this clever addition keeps things seamless without interfering with your app experience. Now let's talk about those stunning color options: Glacier Green, Stardust Gray, and Sunshine Gold. Each features a sleek matte finish that not only looks premium but feels luxurious in hand. And at just the right weight, it's light enough for extended use, yet solid enough to feel durable. ZTE hasn't cut corners on build quality either. The tactile buttons and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that doubles as a power button are both fast and incredibly convenient. It's a phone designed for comfort, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your favorite apps. As for the details, you've got a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and dual stereo speakers that deliver an immersive audio experience. Impressive, right? Moving on to the display. This is where the Blade V70 5G truly shines. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. That's not just smooth, it's butter. Scrolling, swiping, and even gaming feels super fluid. The AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making it a delight for watching Netflix, gaming, or just browsing through photos. Plus, it supports HDR10, so those high-res YouTube videos and shows look absolutely stunning. The display resolution is Full HD+, and while it's not 4K, let's be honest, at this price point, it's more than enough. The dynamic island-inspired cutout at the top is small and unobtrusive, making sure you get maximum screen real estate. What's impressive is the brightness levels. Whether you're outdoors in bright sunlight or chilling in a dimly lit room, the screen adapts perfectly. It gets up to 1000 nits, so you won't struggle to see notifications or messages while on the go. And let's not forget the refresh rate adaptability. The phone smartly adjusts between 60Hz and 120Hz depending on the task, saving battery life when you don't need those buttery smooth transitions. So whether you're a gamer, a binge watcher, or just someone who loves a great display, the Blade V70 5G delivers an experience that punches well above its price. Alright, let's get under the hood. The ZTE Blade V70 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset. This isn't just any processor, it's a mid-range powerhouse, offering a balance of performance and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just casually browsing, this phone holds its own. Paired with 8 gigs of RAM, expandable to 12 gigs with virtual RAM, you're looking at a smooth performance across the board. Apps open quickly, switching between them is seamless, and there's no lag even with demanding apps. Storage-wise, it comes with 256 gigs on board, and if that's not enough, you can expand it up to 1 terabyte using a micro SD card. Seriously, that's more than enough for all your photos, apps, and even those never-deleted screenshots. When it comes to gaming, the Dimensity 900 holds its own against competitors. Titles like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, and even Genshin Impact run smoothly, especially with the Mali G68 MC4 GPU handling the graphics. Sure, it's not a flagship-level chip, but for the price, it delivers. Now, performance isn't just about raw power, it's also about how the phone manages it. The Blade V70 5G stays cool during extended gaming sessions thanks to its advanced cooling system, which is a nice touch in this segment. On the software side, the phone runs on Android 14 with ZTE's custom skin. It's clean, minimal, and doesn't come with a ton of bloatware, which is always a win in my book. The UI feels intuitive, and navigating through menus is a breeze. Whether you're a power user or someone who just needs a reliable phone for everyday use, the ZTE Blade V70 5G strikes a great balance of power and practicality. Let's talk about the camera setup because the Blade V70 5G is making some bold claims here. The 108MP main camera is the star of the show, and it doesn't disappoint. First off, the detail and sharpness are outstanding. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or even close-ups, the photos are rich with clarity. The f1.75 aperture ensures excellent low-light performance, and ZTE's AI enhancements further boost night photography. The AI beautification options are there if you like tweaking your shots, but they're subtle enough to not overdo it. But what about video? The Blade V70 5G supports 4K video recording on the rear camera, which is a big deal in this price segment. Stabilization is decent thanks to EIS, making it a solid choice for casual vloggers or anyone who loves shooting videos on the go. In real-world usage, the camera does a good job in various conditions: daylight, indoors, and even low-light scenarios. Let's talk battery life, because the ZTE Blade V70 5G delivers big here. With its 5,000 mAh battery, this phone is built to last. Whether you're gaming, streaming your favorite shows, or endlessly scrolling through social media, you can easily get a full day of heavy usage without constantly reaching for the charger. Now, when it's finally time to juice up, the 22.5W fast charging steps in to save the day. While it's not the lightning fast charging you'd find in premium flagships, it's quick and reliable enough to get you back in action without long waits. Moving on to connectivity, the Blade V70 5G has all the bases covered. Of course, 5G support is the star here, keeping you future-proofed with blazing fast network speeds. Whether you're downloading large files or streaming in high definition, smooth sailing. Other connectivity features include dual-band Wi-Fi for stable internet, Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless pairing with your gadgets, and NFC for quick and easy payments. And yes, ZTE hasn't forgotten about the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming a rarity these days. Overall, the Blade V70 ensures you're well equipped for both performance and convenience on the go. Now for the $1 million, or should I say $150 question, is the ZTE Blade V70 5G worth it? At an estimated price of $150, it offers a lot. Great cameras, a stunning display, reliable performance, and a design that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. It's clear ZTE is trying to disrupt the mid-range market, and honestly, they've done a solid job. Whether you're upgrading your current phone or looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse, the Blade V70 5G is worth considering. So, what do you think of the ZTE Blade V70 5G? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech reviews.